215 Superstore, we have the coolest lifted vehicles on the market, hands down. We have some of the best lifts built right here at our dealership, including all kind of Jeep Wranglers, Gladiators, trucks, 1500s, 2500s. If you need it lifted, if you want it customized, check out our customization webpage in the description below. So as you can see, that amp step really helps when you're just getting in the vehicle. I'm gonna start this bad boy up here. Oh, as you can tell, we actually have a security device on here I had to disarm. So it's pretty cool. That amp step really makes getting in the vehicle a lot easier than you might think. We're just gonna take this for a little cruise around the lot. Immediately you can tell the engine's the 2.0 turbo engine. Just immediately sounds different than the V6. The ride in this car is really comfortable. This is a Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon. With the Mopar lift kit, 2.5 inches, equips it with Fox shocks, which is really nice. And you can see just the ride quality is just smooth as butter. It should be, it's a brand new car, right? So you got kind of your basic seat adjustments here. It's pretty neat. Everything in this car is like leather wrapped almost. You know, you got like full leather feel on the door, but on the steering wheel it's leather wrapped. And the shifter knob has like a really nice leather feel to it. I'll show you guys the dash here in a second. You'll be able to see how they modernized the whole dash from the JK a couple years ago, and what they've done to like really rejuvenate or techify. What they've done to techify the car. They've really outfitted it well. I drive one of these on a regular basis, and I always hook my phone up. It syncs up really well. There's a lot of supported apps and always getting added new ones, you know, because they're constantly developing the technology and the software and stuff. So here we can see the new dash. We've got the 8.4 inch U-Connect here with a lot of selectable options and even off-road pages, which is really cool. We'll load this up for a quick sec. And what this does is allows you to get more information while you're off-roading, and that can be really useful in sticky situations when you need to know the angle of turn for your things, your gauges, and keeping track of all your different heats and temperatures and whatnot. You can check your engagements for your different components in the undercarriage, the drivetrain components, as well as like check your angles here. Let's see if I can't shake it. It's too stable. And of course XM radio, which is always great and fun. You've got internal nav, and you can even connect your phone to this and have Google navigate, you know, use Google Maps instead of the actual internal navigation. But if you lose service on one or the other, then you have two options, which I've always liked. Let's check out that backup cam, since that's all the rage these days in the 2020, 2018, 2019 area. Look at that wonderful backup cam. Let's see. It looks like it's a tube a little bit right there because we've got like an aftermarket tire on, so it's a little. We have this wonderful shifter. As I mentioned, it's got that real leatherette feel. We have the four-wheel drive shifter as well as the off-road engaging knobs. These are really cool buttons here. You can connect. These are connected directly into a spot under the hood, which will allow you to easily wire these buttons to anything that you're adding to the car, whether that be a winch or a light bar, or 2 light bars or 4 light bars. Here we have the switches for the windows, which is really nice. There's automatic as well, which is crisp. Who doesn't like a good automatic window? Here we have the media area where you can connect your phone and your aux. So crisp, so clean. Look at that start button, you know what I mean? Cruising around the lot in my old Jeep, new Jeep. Cruising around the lot in 2020 Jeep. And we'll take a turn, if you know what I mean. Thanks for tuning in to our channel, and don't forget to like, and subscribe. Also, for more information on this vehicle, visit our website, desert215superstore.com. I hope to see you guys again. If there's any information I missed during this video, please feel free to let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to make these videos more valuable for you and more educational, also more fun. So let me know what you think.